at a broad level, we're hearing three things from people. One is they have workloads that are latency sensitive. So this means if we had a cloud region literally everywhere, and in some cases even in not just major cities, but inside of like inside your facility, if AWS could do that, we could achieve the latency people wanted and you wouldn't need an outpost. But in a lot of other circumstances, you need single-digit millisecond latency, and we don't have a region or a local zone, and local zones are built on outposts. We don't have it near you, right? We don't have one in your house, my house, in your hospital, in your factory, and so forth. And so if you need that single-digit millisecond latency, you're stuck on-prem, right? It's just, until we solve the speed of light problem, which we're not working on apparently. Yeah. And it turns out it's like the weather, right? Everybody talks about it, but nobody's doing anything. So, yeah. So those things we hear a lot, right? If you have a factory or a hospital, or you're doing, you're using a Wacom tablet to draw, like the milliseconds matter. So you need something on-prem because it's just the speed of light. The second thing was this local data processing. So here you're getting huge amounts of data being generated, and you want to process it before moving to the cloud. You don't need all that data in the cloud. You need the output of it, or the tokenized data, right? In the case of maybe PII or other things that you don't want to push to the cloud. So there's another example where, if you could wave a magic wand and have everything be free as you transfer data around and instantaneous, you wouldn't need on-premises. You wouldn't need a data center or a colo, but you do. So a lot of local data processing, right? Autonomous vehicle use cases, medical imaging, that sort of thing. And then going back to the slides here, the third one is a broad category called data residency. And this is either because there's a government regulation or a contract, or it's just your business requirements that dictate data and infrastructure, so compute and storage, they reside in a specific country or municipality or city or facility. Those are the three general use cases that are guiding us. There's another one that I didn't mention, which is just some people just prefer it. And then one of the hallmarks of AWS is we give people a choice, right? We try not to be paternalistic about how you have to do something. You can do things using our infrastructure, our managed services, third-party managed services. You can build everything yourself. You can use bare metal instances, all the different kinds of instances, different kinds of storage, object, block, file. And so Outposts for some customers is really just, hey, we plan maybe in the fullness of time that everything will go to the cloud, but that's 20 years from now, right? We have a mainframe, or we have some other corporate reason to be in a bunch of data centers. And so Outpost fits into that world.